Hey guys, Andrew Plies here with MarineMax on Lake Lanier. Really excited to show you guys a brand new trade that we just took in. This is a 2025 Sea Ray 270 SDX Surf. So starting back here on the swim platform, ton to talk about on this boat, really excited. Starting back here, we do have a flip down swim step. So this will actually flip down, sit a couple feet below the water, just makes getting on and off the boat really, really easy. Storage compartment underneath this compartment right here, as well as a transom sprayer. So if you guys are anchored up or beached up in a cove somewhere, instead of tracking dirt in and out of the boat, spray your feet off before you get in the boat. Keep your nice boat nice and clean. Really nice and spacious sun pad back here. This backrest will actually fold down, increasing your sun pad area. Really nice L-shaped seating throughout the cockpit here. As you'll see, we do have mounts for our teak table package. You will have a teak table here in the cockpit as well as up in the bow. Really versatile cockpit setup here, as you'll see here in our co-captain's chair. This will actually flip forward and aft, two different seating configurations, really increasing your seating here, and then your cockpit or your captain's chair will do the same as well. Before we talk about the helm, this boat does have a full power tower with a really nice bimini. So this bimini covers probably about 60% of the boat. So one of the bigger biminis with the tower that Sea Ray has come out with. Here at our cockpit or our helm station, you have your twin Simrad multi-function display. So that's going to give you everything from your Mercury data, your chart plotter, your depth finder, and it also is going to give you access to your surf system. So with this boat being a surf model, you will have subfloor ballast hard tanks as well as trim tabs that will actuate and create that nice wave. Surfed a couple of these boats and the wave is absolutely spectacular. So couldn't have much better to say about it. Under here you will have a head compartment. And then moving up to the bow, with the SDX series, you really get a large bow area, tons of seating up here. You could probably fit 4 people very, very comfortably. And then up here, you will have access to your anchor locker as well as a flip down ladder here on your bow. And then to complement the stern of the boat, you have an additional bow sprayer as well. Now guys, there's a ton more to see on this boat. This is a feature packed boat, so a ton more to see. If you want to check it out, visit us at MarineMax.com, or if you want to see it in person, you can schedule a private showing. Visit us here at MarineMax on Lake Lanier and Bald Ridge Marina.